हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं उपासना शर्मा। आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे टीचर्स डे पे स्पीच कैसे दे सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल, टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स एंड ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन प्रेजेंट हियर। माय नेम इज उपासना शर्मा. I am here to deliver a speech on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. It is my honor to talk about our mentors or teachers on this special occasion. I would like to start by wishing all my respected teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. It is because of your hard work and dedication that we as a student learn and grow into a better person every day. As we all know that it is impossible to define teacher, as teachers are not only limited to teaching or guiding students in academics, but also helping students to take the right path in career or life. They develop our overall character and personality, which makes us a confident person. I would like to thank all the teachers for always standing with us as a supportive pillar and correcting our numerous mistakes. To mark their hard work towards teaching and honor them with appreciation. Teachers' Day is celebrated all over India on 5th September every year with great joy, as we all know that this day is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was one of the successful President of India, a great scholar and an ideal teacher. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was awarded in 1954 with the highest award of the nation, Bharat Ratna, for his marvelous contribution in the field of academics. In 1962, when Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan students and followers wanted to celebrate his birthday, he expressed his heartfelt desire that the day should be dedicated to all teachers. He believed that teachers deserved recognition and appreciation for their selfless devotion and hard work in influencing the mind of future generations. Teachers play an essential role in society. They are the designers of our academic and ethical development, edging us into responsible citizens and alarmed individuals. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's own life and teachings represented the qualities of a great educator. He confidently believed that education was not just the build-up of knowledge, but also the cultivation of understanding character. In honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan meritorious service to mankind, India celebrates his birthday as a Teachers' Day on 5th September. Teachers' Day is an important occasion of all the educational institutions and honors the hard work and teaching to all the respected teachers. Celebration of Teachers' Day in school holds a special place in our hearts. Being a student, we get an opportunity to organize special performance in honor of our beloved teachers. Teachers' Day is the best day for students to express love and respect for their teachers. Teachers play an important role in our life after parents. Teachers are our real heroes and best friends. They are the ones who inspire us, guide us, enlighten us, and most importantly motivate us to get the best out of us and shape us. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. Teachers make their best efforts to turn the students into responsible citizens. It is rightly said that teaching is the profession that teaches all the professions. Really, teachers are the backbone of our society. My dear teachers, we never forget you in our life. We are thankful and grateful for all your efforts today and every day. Lastly, I would like to thank all the teachers for playing role model in our lives and helping us grow into better people. Thank you everyone.